Find us.
Oh my god, guys, the police. Hi guys.
Welcome back to the vlog life.
If you guys are wondering, I'm with my best friend Daniela, and we are having a girls' night. We're gonna go eat, and we're gonna
maybe get tattoos.
Yeah, she's gonna get tattooed.
Maybe.
I wanted to film her first time getting tattooed. Are you nervous?
Hell yes, obviously. I'm a big baby. I have like 0 pain tolerance. So this will be interesting.
I was even thinking about getting one. Like I was at work.
Please.
I was at work and I was like, do I get another one? But I don't know what I want, and I don't want to get something and regret it. If you guys didn't know, I already have a tattoo, so I kind of know like how it feels and all that. Seriously, it's not that bad.
Because I want to get one on my ribcage.
So now we're gonna eat. We need to relax, don't think about all that. So we just got food. I got fries with my favorite, like it's like a mayo, I don't know how to say it. It's like garlic mayo sauce. And I got a souvlaki. I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's like Greek food. What did you get?
I got souvlaki, but pork, and instead of a salad, I just got more fries.
Oh. We're just having supper, and then she just called, and
We're getting tattooed.
we're at the tattoo shop. She told him what she wanted, and
It's about to happen.
I literally just like scratched her arm, and she's like, oh my god, it hurts so much.
Over my face from the tattoo process.
No, but I want to see your face before.
No one.
It's not right away. Don't flinch, relax. You're gonna get used to it the more he goes.
It's not worse than waxing my armpits, that's for sure.
I think my hand is sweating more than yours. Tattoo number 2.
That sound.
You wanna hold my hand? Friendship goals, beautiful nails. Guys, I think she passed out. Oh, sign of life.
I was falling asleep.
I thought it hurt.
Is it done? Oh.
Ooh, cute. Guys, I think I'm not gonna live that long because with her driving, like literally, I'm gonna die tonight.
At least we'll die together. Guys, I got 2 tattoos.
It's not one. I ain't no basic bitch getting 1 tattoo. I got 2.
2 tattoos.
And didn't even tip the guy. Oh yes, girl.
I didn't know we had to dip, but he didn't ask for it, so I was like,
Okay. $60 to $60.
$60 is so cheap. You got 2 tattoos. That's like $30 each.
that's like a huge meal, you know?
Damn. But the guy was so stressed. He was stressing me
I
out.
had no tattoos. That's like, it's crazy.
Skills, vlogging and powder times. Oh my god, the car is moving. Let me just.
Find us.
Oh my god, guys, the police.
You're watching me. Holy
The
shit.
police are coming for us.
Please. I'm kidding.
Yo, they're coming for us. Holy shit, he's coming in our lane.
She gonna see what we come for.
God, the freaking police are after us.
What did I do in life to ask for the police to follow us?
Missing someone.
We got chocolate milkshake, milk chocolate, and we also got a waffle. Oh my god. And she got the same drink. Ooh, yeah. Hi guys, so I just got home and I took off all my makeup and I'm going to get ready to go to bed. I had literally so much fun with Daniela. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and also if you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Missing someone.